The prostate is a fibromuscular gland of the male reproductive system that is located just below the bladder and around the urethra, the last section of the urinary tract. This important gland performs numerous functions, in particular that of producing prostatic fluid, an essential component of seminal fluid that facilitates the movement of spermatozoa in the female reproductive system, and neutralizes the acidity of the vaginal environment, thus promoting their survival. To maintain a healthy prostate, it is necessary to adopt a healthy lifestyle, starting from nutrition. According to the results of some scientific studies, there are some foods considered prostate-friendly, as they possess some beneficial properties that contribute to the health of the prostate gland. But what are these foods? Let's go see them. Tomatoes. Known for its bright red color and juicy pulp, the tomato is a key ingredient in numerous recipes, from the classic tomato sauce to fresh salads, from pasta dishes to the much-loved pizza. Botanically speaking, it is considered a fruit and is among the most widespread and appreciated throughout the world, both for its culinary role and for its nutritional value. Tomato is rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, some B vitamins and vitamin K, but also phosphorus, calcium, and potassium. Not only that, tomatoes are an excellent source of antioxidants. The best known is undoubtedly lycopene. It is a carotenoid responsible for the red color of many fruits and vegetables, and appears to play an important role in maintaining prostate health. According to some evidence emerging from epidemiological studies, lycopene and the consumption of foods containing lycopene, of which tomatoes represent the main food source, can be protective against the risk of prostate cancer, as well as cardiovascular diseases, hypertension, and stroke. Lycopene could suppress the proliferation of cancer cells in the prostate and prevent their spread, as it appears to promote apoptosis in some neoplastic cells, that is, the enzymatic process that leads to programmed cell death. The other phytochemicals present in tomatoes can also act in synergy with lycopene and enhance its protective effects and help maintain prostate health. However, further large-scale studies will be needed to clarify the exact link between tomato intake and the risk of prostate cancer, in order to also determine the type and quantity of tomato products that must be consumed to benefit from their potential effect in the prevention of prostate cancer. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables are a family of vegetables whose name is attributed to the particular arrangement of their petals, which resemble the shape of a cross. Among these, we find broccoli, cabbage, turnip greens, and rocket. Cruciferous vegetables are rich in vitamins and minerals and have antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and according to some studies, even anti-tumor properties. Epidemiological evidence has demonstrated a reduced risk of prostate cancer associated with the consumption of cruciferous vegetables. This protective activity appears to be attributed to a class of secondary metabolites produced by cruciferous vegetables called glucosinolates. These are sugar compounds containing sulfur, which once ingested through food give rise to the formation of certain substances, such as indole 3-carbonyl and sulforane, which exert anti-tumor activity. Both have been shown to inhibit prostate cancer by blocking the onset of the tumor and suppressing the growth of neoplastic cells and triggering cell cycle arrest. Green tea. Originally from China, green tea is a 1,000-year-old drink obtained from the processing of the leaves of the Camellia sinensis, a small evergreen shrub with white flowers and golden yellow stamens. Hot in winter and cold in summer, green tea is consumed daily all over the world, particularly in East Asian countries, so much so that it is becoming one of the most popular tea varieties. Globally, prostate cancer incidence rates are lower in Asian countries than in Western countries. In fact, according to the results of some epidemiological studies, the consumption of green tea plays an important role in the prevention of carcinogenesis in many types of malignant tumors, including prostate cancer. Green tea is an important source of polyphenols, a vast group of natural organic substances with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Among these we find catechins, antioxidants capable of fighting oxidative stress in the body, protecting cells from free radical damage. According to some studies, the catechins present in green tea can be particularly useful in the chemoprevention of prostate cancer, that is, that therapeutic strategy, which aims to prevent and counteract the onset and development of tumors through the intake of drugs or foods capable of slowing down the carcinogenesis process. Legumes. Legumes are a group of foods of plant origin made up of the edible seeds of plants belonging to the Leguminosa family. Among the over 13,000 species that make up this large family, we find beans, peas, lentils, and chickpeas. Legumes contain a broad class of bioactive compounds for which experimental studies have indicated anticancer roles, directly or through further metabolization by the gut microbiota. Flavonoids, especially isoflavones, may be the most important contributor to the anticancer activity of legumes. This is a group of plant estrogens, in fact defined as phytoestrogens, precisely because of their structural and functional similarity to the estrogens produced by the body. Isoflavones contained, for example, in legumes, have been shown to inhibit cell proliferation and induce apoptosis in various prostate cancer cell lines, as well as inhibit angiogenesis and control abnormal mutations in cells through their antioxidant activities. The results of those studies indicated that high consumption of legumes is associated with a low incidence of prostate cancer, with a risk reduction of 3.7% for every 20 grams per day increase in legume intake. Also, soybeans, herbaceous plant belonging to the Leguminosa family, appears to have anti-cancer properties, particularly known for prostate cancer and breast cancer. Epidemiological data indicate that the consumption of soy foods may contribute to the prevention of prostate cancer as a result of the hormonal properties of soy isoflavones, which are involved in the regulation of genes that control the cell cycle and apoptosis. It should be underlined, however, that not all research conducted on the effects of isoflavones on prostate cancer has shown consistent results, so further studies will be necessary. Pomegranate. Native to ancient Persia, current Iran, the pomegranate is a fruit-bearing deciduous shrub that has been cultivated for millennia for its juicy and nutritious fruits. Rich in natural antioxidants, dietary fiber, vitamin A, vitamin C, and B vitamins, pomegranate fruits appear to have a chemopreventive effect on the development and progression of prostate cancer. According to the results of some studies, pomegranate juice and its components significantly inhibit the growth of tumor cells in prostate cancer as they interfere with multiple biological processes involved in the growth of the tumor mass, angiogenesis, and metastasis. Although the exact mechanisms are not yet completely clear, the anti-tumor effects appear to be partly due to ellagic acid, a powerful natural antioxidant found in various fruits and vegetables, including the pomegranate. However, it is always good to remember that the foods mentioned in this video are not miraculous, as they cannot guarantee the prevention of prostate cancer, much less cure it. They must therefore be considered as part of a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle in order to promote general health, including that of the prostate.